Good morning, everyone. My name is Balki. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a faith, fashion, and lifestyle YouTube blogger and vlogger, and you are welcome. So, this is my official room tour, okay? It is very simple, it is very feminine, it is very me. Yes, I was going for like a little minimalistic hotel type of room feel, like how hotel rooms are basically bare. It's basically nothing in hotel rooms, just a bed, your dresser, bedside table, just the basic. You got your closet and your bathroom is there, so that's the type of feel I was trying to go for. So yes, and here we go. So when you come in, the first thing you're gonna see is, of course, my big old bed. This is a queen size bed. It is huge, it is big. The first time I saw this bed, I loved it, and I was like, this is my bed. Yeah. Yeah, so this is it. And I have like a purple velvet, what is it, duvet over it, comforter. Yeah. And the only thing I don't like about this comforter is it's linty. It gets, linty very quick. So yeah, so this is my little comforter. Yeah. And it came with all these pillows. Yeah. And yeah, that's my bed. It had a African feel to it, I guess. It kind of looks like my bed in Sierra Leone. So that's why I loved it. And then I have this purple wreath on the top of the bed, on the wall above the bed. Yeah. I love flowers. I'm a girly girl. I love flowers and all that. And I used to have one of these to wear on my head during the summertime. So yeah, I just loved it. I loved it. The duvet, I got it from Walmart. This little wreath, I got it from Burlington. Yeah, that's the name of the store. And then I have my closet space here. So that's my closet. Kind of look like a door, but it's a closet. Okay, before we go there. So in this empty space, I was thinking of putting another bedside table or a plant. But at the same time, when I get out of my bed, I like to go. I don't want anything in my way. I do not want anything in my way, yeah. So that's why I'm gonna leave it empty for now. Maybe as time goes on, I'll add like a picture on this wall. Yeah, we will see. So yeah, this is it. And then this is my closet. This is what it looks like. It only has a few of my clothes, not all of them, just a few. Yeah. And then I have my shoes down here, and then I have my what is it, my computer bag and my ring light bag. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So over here I have my ring light, of course. Yep, it's been with me to 3 continents: Europe, Africa, and now America. So yeah, and then I have my little charging station. I have my iPad charging, and then I have a candle, a plant. It's fake. I'm trying to get a real plant though. We will get a real plant. We will see. So I have this little praying hand here, and it was given to me by a lovely friend. Yes, and on my graduation. So I graduated in 2011. So this plant is at least 11 years old. Yeah, 11 years old. Not the plant, the praying hand, the praying, yeah, the praying lady. Just to remind me to, pray always, pray at all times, pray about anything and everything. So yeah, as you can see, my dresser is basically bare. Nothing is on it. That's how I love it. I want it to stay like that. So here I have like a watermelon and mint mojito body mist. I love the smell. I don't even use it on my body. I use it for the room because I just love the watermelon smell. And then I have a glasses and a portrait of a lady in her shades, looking fabulous, just like me. She reminded me of me. So yeah, and it looked very Africanish. Yeah. So yes, and over here I have the candle version of the mist, the body mist. So yeah, it's from Beloved Candle. I got this one from Target. Yep, and then this portrait, I got it from Family Dollar. Yes, so I outsourced everywhere to get my decorations. So here, a beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. It's true, I love it, and it is very true. So this one, I got it also from Burlington. And then this one, I think I got it from, yeah, I got it from Burlington too. The little plants. I'm gonna get a real plant, but this one is fake and I loved it. And this says, "Good morning, sunshine." Yep, it's just a mug. It's just a decoration. I don't really use it. Yeah. So on my dresser, I still have the plastic on it. Over here, I have just some of my basic body care, skincare stuff. Yeah, my vitamin, deodorants. What is this? Glade spray. It's all there. And then in here, I have my Bible, my books, my devotionals. Yep. And then in here, I have my makeup stuff. Yeah, it's just few makeup stuff, my makeup bag. Yeah. I do not want everything out per se. So yeah. So this is just a few of them. Ugh, this thing came off again. Yep. So that's it. And over here, I have some snacks. These are my little snacks. Yep. And then more snacks. What's in here? I have my jewelries. Yeah. I need to find a way to organize them more. Yep. And then the first portion is my business. The second portion is my business. What's here? Yeah, this one is blank. This one is just like more random stuff. Yep. And then here I'm working on, I don't even know what I'm working on now. I wanted to make a sweater, but it started like getting crooked. So I changed it into a bag, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. And then this is my curtain. It matches the bed. So purple and white. Even though the back side of the bed is gray, but still. And here's my night light. There you go. Yeah, and it has like a little USB charging station at the back. And this is one of my favorite scriptures in the Bible, John 14, verse 1. That's not the whole verse, but it says, part of it says, "Do not let your heart be troubled." Yes. So this really helped me in college because there was a time I was so stressed and I printed it out just to encourage myself. Yeah, so it says, "Do not let your heart be troubled." I made it in college in 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20. So at least 6 years old. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then up here, I have these hanging plants. It's actually, you're supposed to like hang them from like a, I don't know, like a nail or something. But I just placed them on top of my dresser mirror. So yes, that's that about that. More charging station here. Have my other dresser here. And then I have more stuff. I have a sunglasses and then some my chargers and headphones. And then here I just have receipts and stuff. So yeah. Well, this is basically it. Very simple, very bare, very minimal. So maybe as time goes on, I'll add more, but I just like it the way it is. It is not hard to keep up with, to upkeep and all that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll add more. Maybe I will just leave it like this. But thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day wherever you are, morning, night, evening. Stay blessed and remain blessed. God bless you. Bye for now. Bye.